Welcome back to the Crooked River and Eastern Railroad. Thanks for tuning in to another Crooked River production. Just want to give you a quick reminder that tomorrow, November 22nd, On Track Tuesday will be here at the Crooked River and Eastern channel. So I hope you all can make it. It'll be our last show before Thanksgiving this year. And we'll just chit-chat, talk about things we're thankful for this year, what we're looking forward to with the holiday season upon us now. And we'll just have a good old time. I'll show you a few things I've been working on. Not a whole lot of progress, nothing really major to show, but it'll still be a good time. Looking forward to talking with everybody, looking forward to having you guys all come over to the channel. So, that being said, enjoy these trains running over the river scene, and hope to see you tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern Time at the Crooked River and Eastern. Bye for now.